Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure latest stable version on Linux Mint 22.1. Open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See here Jenkins supports on Debian or Ubuntu. So, and the minimum hardware requirements are, these are the minimum hardware requirements. The only thing that we need to check is Java requirement. Right click, open link in new tab or open it. For the latest versions, we must have Java 17 or 21. Open terminal, verify whether Java is installed or not. Java version. See, you don't have Java, so we have to install. See, we can install JRE or OpenJDK 17 or 21. So, use this. Go to new tab, oracle.com, then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. See here we have the JDK 21. Click on it, close this one. But for you, if you are unable to find JDK 21, go to here, Java Archives. There you can find all older versions. Then download this Debian package for Linux Mint. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 160 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the JDK 21 Debian package. Let us install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give JDK, give the tab and hit enter. Provide the password of this user, hit enter. Now verify the version, Java version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. So the first prerequisite matched. Now go back, Linux, then click on Debian or Ubuntu. Then we have to run these commands. So copy the first one up to here, then Control A, paste it, hit enter. It is done. ls, remove this one because we have already installed. Okay, now run this echo command until these, see, next 3 lines. Okay, I paste it, hit enter, Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. All done. Control L. Now install the Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, these commands are for the long-term support, which means stable version. These are quickly. Okay. So wait a moment. It is downloading this much. See, it is installing 2.492. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins is active and running. It is enabled. Also see here, this is the initial admin password. You took it. Now you scroll down or you just give localhost, then port number 8080. See, after starting, see, these are the commands for the post installation. Then connect by using, see, this is the link. Okay, copy this one or just give localhost, port number 8080, hit enter. Then see here we have to give the initial admin password. See, this password is the same. Okay, or even if you go to this path or file, sudo more, paste that file name, the path, hit enter. See, we got the same password. See, this and this both are same. Copy either of them, paste it, click on continue. Not now. See, we have 2 types of plugins to install. Suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I want to go with this install suggested plugin. So click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This will take time, so I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create first admin user, but it is not mandatory. You can click on skip or continue. But create user, give anything, then provide the password, confirm the same, then provide the full name. I am giving same as administrator, then provide email, then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL, so click on save and finish. See, Jenkins is ready, so click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. Click on new item or build history, manage Jenkins, or see here we have the create a job, set up agent, configure a cloud, etc. options are there. Now click on manage Jenkins. See here we have different options like plugins. See, if you want to see available plugins, see here, and if you want to search for specific plugin, you can search here. If you want to see installed plugins, see here, these are the installed plugins. And advanced settings, different options are there. If you want to change the administrator password, click on this administrator, then click on security, then provide the new password here. Then we have to click on save or apply. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. Go to dashboard. If you want to connect or do anything, Jenkins service must be up and running. Otherwise, you will not able to do anything. Control A. Now let's see sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. See, it is stopped. Let us verify. See, Jenkins is stopped. But if you reload this page, see, unable to connect. Okay, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. It is started. Reload this page. Now again we have to provide the username. Username is administrator. Then provide the password of this user that we have given. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, we are able to connect. Okay. See here we have connected using localhost, but we can also connect by using IP of the machine. IP of the machine ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Let me copy this one. Go to NetApp, paste it. Give the port number 8080, hit enter. See, still we are able to connect. See, we are able to connect. Even you can also connect with loopback IP, that is 127.0.01. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest version, that is 2.492 on Linux Mint 22.1. For more Jenkins tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.